7 people die in house fires every day. Every year, thousands sustain life-changing injuries, and house fires cause more than $8.6 billion in property damage. A house fire can become deadly in as little as 2 minutes. Fires burn hotter and faster because of modern household products that are made of plastics and synthetic materials. These dangerous fires produce toxic smoke and gases, making it hard to breathe while trying to escape. Unprotected lightweight building materials, flooring, high ceilings, and open floor plans cause fires to spread quickly. Technology like lithium-ion batteries that were not in our homes years ago also result in fast-spreading toxic fires. Responders are vulnerable to injury as well from contamination-related cancers and other diseases. Within minutes after a fire has started, flashover occurs. When that happens, everything combustible in the room bursts into flames. No one survives flashover. Typically, the fire department will arrive within 8 to 10 minutes after a fire is reported. That is probably too late for any person who is still in the home. Smoke alarms warn you that there is smoke, but older adults and young children may not be able to respond to a smoke alarm. Home fire sprinklers will actually suppress and even extinguish the fire before the firefighters arrive. Here's how sprinklers work. When the temperature from a fire reaches 135 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, a high heat automatically activates the sprinkler closest to the fire. Each fire sprinkler works on its own. The system does not activate all at once. In 90% of fires in sprinklered homes, the fire is controlled by only one sprinkler. The fast response of home fire sprinklers prevents flashover and limits the fire's spread to other rooms. It minimizes exposure by keeping fires small and preventing flashover and structural collapse. Fire is fast. Fire sprinklers are faster. Install fire sprinklers in all new homes to protect residents, firefighters, and your community.